1460 Make two arrays equal by reversing subarrays. This Java code checks if two integer arrays, target and arranged by, can be made equal by rearranging the elements of arranged by. Here's a step-by-step explanation. 1. Initialize an array. An integer array digits of size 1001 is created to keep track of the counts of elements in target and arranged by. 2. Count elements. The method iterates through the elements of target and arranged by simultaneously. For each element in target, it increments the corresponding index in digits. For each element in arranged by, it decrements the corresponding index in digits. 3. Check for equality. After the loop, it checks if all values in digits are 0. If any value in digits is not 0, it means the counts of some elements in target and arranged by do not match, so it returns false. If all values are 0, it returns true, indicating that arranged by can be rearranged to match target. The method essentially ensures that both arrays have the same elements with the same frequencies. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.